In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this simple car jump transition in DaVinci Resolve. As you can see, I have two speed-ramped clips. I'm going to transition into each other. Let's start by copying the last clip. Go to the first frame and freeze the frame. Open the clip in the color page. Take your pen tool and make a perfect selection of the car. Add alpha output so we can get rid of the background. If you want, you can add some softness to smooth out the mask. Now you can go back to the editing page. Drag the clip like I do and trim it to the right size. We will change this later if we need. Make a new compound clip. Open it up in the Fusion page. Find Transform. Make a keyframe for center and size in the beginning. Move to the last frame and make another keyframes for them. Go back to the first frame and adjust the values until the car isn't visible anymore. Make sure to turn up size a little bit. It will add a good effect for it. After that, go to about halfway of the clip and adjust the values so the car is a little bit higher than it will be in the end. Open the spline window. Select size. Highlight all the points and press S on your keyboard to smooth them out. After that, select center. Make the graph look similar to mine. In this point, if you want to do any adjustments on the timing, make sure to do so now by dragging on the points. Now go back to the editing page. If you did some adjustments on the timing, make sure to trim the video again so it ends when there's no movement left. The next part is important. Click on the Transform node, then Settings and select Motion Blur, adjust the quality to 10 and shutter angle to about 250. If you want to add that little shake to it, like I did in the example, drag an adjustment layer and position it like I do. Open it in the Fusion page and add camera shake. Make a keyframe for overall strength in the first frame. Move forward about 30 to 40 frames and turn it down all the way. Make sure edges are turned to mirror. Go ahead and add motion blur for this also. Turn both quality and shutter angle all the way up. That's basically it.